Madagascar is a land of wonders. Its forests teem with life found nowhere else on Earth. But these forests are in danger. Trees vanish at an alarming rate, victims of deforestation. Among the most vulnerable inhabitants are the mouse lemurs, tiny primates with big eyes and even bigger problems. As their forest home disappears, these gentle creatures face an uncertain future. The once lush landscape transforms into barren stretches of land. The air, once alive with the sounds of the forest, grows quieter. The mouse lemurs, their food sources dwindling, struggle to survive. Without a home, their very existence hangs in the balance. Deep within Madagascar, a small village exists near the forest's edge. The villagers have always lived in harmony with nature. They depend on the forest for their livelihood and well-being, but as the forest shrinks, they see the changes around them. The villagers witness the plight of the mouse lemurs. They notice the silence falling upon their land. They realize that they must act before it's too late. A sense of urgency grips the village. The elders, wise and experienced, call for a meeting. They understand the delicate balance of nature. They know that the fate of the forest is intertwined with their own. The villagers decide to take action and save their beloved forest. The villagers, young and old, come together. With a common purpose, they begin planting trees. Each seed planted represents a beacon of hope. Day after day, they nurture the saplings, watering them with care. They protect the young trees from harm, shielding them from the harsh elements. Slowly but surely, the forest starts to heal. Knowing that the mouse lemurs need a safe haven, the villagers designate a special area. This protected zone, carefully guarded, provides a sanctuary for the lemurs to thrive. With ample food and shelter, the mouse lemurs start to return. The forest, once fragmented and silent, begins to resonate with the sounds of life once more. A young village girl named Zara develops a special bond with a mischievous mouse lemur she names Nofi. Nofi, meaning dream in Malagasy, becomes a symbol of hope for Zara and the entire village. Zara spends hours watching Nofi leap through the branches. Nofi, unafraid, often scurries down to take treats from Zara's hand. One day, Zara finds Nofi injured, her leg caught in a snare left behind by poachers. Zara, with tears in her eyes, carefully frees Nofi. She carries Nofi back to the village, where they nurse her back to health. The bond between them deepens, a testament to the newfound harmony between the villagers and the forest. Years pass and the forest flourishes. The trees, once fragile saplings, now stand tall and proud. The canopy once again teems with life. Birdsong fills the air, and the rustle of leaves signals the movement of countless creatures. The mouse lemur population rebounds, their playful chatter a testament to the success of the villagers' efforts. The story of the village and the mouse lemurs serves as a powerful reminder. It highlights the importance of conservation and the power of collective action. It shows that even in the face of adversity, hope can blossom. By working together, we can protect our planet's biodiversity and ensure a brighter future for all.